South Eastern Railway building, unboxing and review. There we have it. This model has metal supports. Is made of resin and it's not made of metal, but these underlying supports are metal. If we look at this underneath, we can see that this valance is a bit overscaled. It's wider than it would be in real life because it's made of resin, which can't be made to as thin as etched brass can be. You can see these pieces under here are metal, which is a good feature. There are 3 windows at this end of the model, and there are 2 windows at this end. On the station building that this is based on at Frant, at Bellevue Green, there is another building, Station Master's house is part of the structure, but this model can be used either on its own or with the Station Master's house. But obviously if you stood it next to the Station Master's house, you would not see the windows. I'm now going to show you some pictures of the real building upon which this is based.